Ever wondered how to add that final touch to your dishes? Garnishes, dusts, and sprinkles are the secret ingredients. They not only enhance the presentation, but also elevate the flavor profile. In this video, we'll explore how to add these finishing touches to your dishes, step by step. Let's begin with garnishes, the decorative elements that can elevate your dish from ordinary to extraordinary. The first step is choosing the right garnish. Consider the flavors in your dish and select a garnish that complements them. Next, prepare your garnish. This could be as simple as washing and chopping fresh herbs or slicing a lemon. Then, place it on your dish in a way that enhances its visual appeal. Popular garnishes include rosemary for roasted meats and lemon slices for fish dishes. Remember, the garnish should complement the dish, not overpower it. Now let's move on to dusting, a technique that adds a subtle flavor and a pleasing visual effect. Choosing the right dusting ingredient is pivotal. Consider the dish's flavor profile and choose a complementary dust, like cocoa for sweet dishes or paprika for savory ones. Apply it lightly over your dish, ensuring even coverage. Timing is crucial. Dust just before serving to maintain the ingredient's potency. Take a classic tiramisu or a juicy steak. A dusting of cocoa or pepper can elevate these dishes significantly. Dusting is an art, a little goes a long way. Finally, let's talk about sprinkles, the tiny delights that can add a crunch or a burst of flavor. Choosing the right sprinkle is key, whether it's a savory seed, a sweet sugar, or a spicy chili flake. To apply, simply scatter them over your dish for even coverage. Timing is crucial. Sprinkle towards the end of cooking to maintain their texture and flavor. Imagine a vanilla cupcake with rainbow sprinkles or a warm bowl of ramen topped with sesame seeds. With sprinkles, the sky is the limit. Don't be afraid to experiment. So there you have it, a simple guide to adding garnishes, dusts, and sprinkles to your dishes. Remember, it's these final touches that can elevate your culinary creations, enhancing both their flavor and presentation. Now it's your turn to experiment and add that final touch to your dishes. Happy cooking!